What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Detached Garage. In today's episode, it's a little late for you guys that are seeing it, but we're gonna do some spring cleaning on my garage. I'm gonna take you through my general process of cleaning, mainly getting all the salt and grit off the floor, as well as vacuuming and flipping everything over from having the snowblower accessible to now having the grill accessible to get out and do some grilling for the summer. Stay tuned. Welcome back, everybody. Again, today's episode is all about spring cleaning. It's been a very long winter, and I'm going to take you guys through my process of cleaning out my garage, mainly to get all the salt and grit off of the floor. So my current garage is a 2-stall with a small area for the lawnmower, the workbench, and the toolbox. So overall, you can see it's very crowded, especially with the stairs taking up room that take away from the depth of the garage, where the stairs go down to the basement. So today we're gonna take everything out, we're gonna clean all the floors, we're gonna vacuum, we're gonna get the salt off the floor with some water and a hose and a brush, and then we're gonna flip the entire garage over. Hope you guys enjoy my cleaning process. If you like this video and other videos, please consider hitting that subscribe button below. Stay tuned for more Detached Garage. All right, guys, so I got all the cleanup done from the floor. Everything is off the floor, and now we can start attacking some of this dirt and dust. So all the salt and grime that winter has brought, we can also sweep some of the leaves up, and we're also gonna go around the windows because I noticed this in a few of my other videos. These have not been cleaned in a very long time. So we'll take you through a time lapse of the garage. We'll also get some stuff cleaned up over here. My next step is going to be using the vacuum to get some of this crud up first. And then I will come back and we will wet the entire floor down and sweep it all out. Trying to wet the floor down to keep the dust down, and then we will get it all swept out. Let's get to it. All right, guys, so the garage looks way, way better now. I went and vacuumed around the edges and then started spraying the water to start getting the remaining salt off of the ground. So sprayed the water and then swept up. This is an old oil stain that was here when we moved in. So didn't completely get all the dirt, but again, this is the workhorse garage. It's not going to be pristine and perfect right now, and I really actually don't want to put a lot more money into this one since we're going to build the other one. So got this area all cleaned off, sprayed off, and now I'm going to attack this area over here. Usually don't spray this down with water, but I mean, we've got the wood in the corner here for the fire pit, and we've got some remnants from where we parked the mower, got the grass. So I will get all of this sweeped up. I'll clean out all underneath here, clean off the bench and everything as well. And by the way, if you guys want to buy some Audi snow tires, let me know. And so we'll get this all swept up, we'll get this cleaned up, and then this whole entire garage will look a lot better. So we're gonna go do that, and then we are gonna go get upstairs to the attic and start putting stuff away and then bringing stuff down that we need for summer. All right, let's get to it. What's going on, guys? We are loading the garage back in. I got my little helper here sweeping up. We've got the snowblower put away here. We've got the old grill here, and then we've got the pressure washer and the new grill here. So I got to get the new grill taken care of. We'll probably get rid of that grill and throw it away. But I've also started bringing stuff down from the attic up there. So got our chairs, our float toys, everything like that. And I still have to put all of this in the garage somewhere. So got the carpet laid out there and pull the tractor back in here. So I was able to get the ladder up top here, which cleaned up some space down below. So I'll be able to tuck some stuff in the corner here, and then we'll have obviously the charger for the van right there, and a lot more to do. Got to clean these windows as well, but overall it's a big transformation from what it was before. So looking good. We'll keep going here and take you along for the ride. All right, guys, so we have the garage flipped over. We've got the grill flipped around with the snowblower that's in the corner there. Overall, still need a lot of organization, but I just ran out of time. But these snow tires here, we got to swap with the ones on the summer tires on the car. Again, Audi snow tires for sale if you are looking for them. We got my little helper right here. And got to figure out a better solution for the cord here. I might install something on the wall there. But we got the bikes down, we got the ladder up there, we've got the other bike here, the push mower and the wheelbarrow right there. We will get this down to the lake later, and we got these lined up here. So I need some organization on these shelves here, organization on the top and the bottom there to clean that out. And then we have everything pretty much inside. And overall, I'm not gonna put a ton more effort into this because that garage that's gonna get built right there is really what we're focused on. Stay tuned. Two dirty cars in the garage. It's a tight fit, but overall, much better than before with the ladder going over here. in this area over here. Say hi, Haley.
Hi.
Say bye.